In the early years of the 21st century, a new dream began to take shape in the hearts of visionaries and dreamers across the globe. A dream of colonizing Mars, the red planet, and expanding humanity's reach beyond the confines of Earth. The context for this ambitious endeavor was set in the backdrop of technological advancements and space exploration achievements. The successful landing of robotic rovers on Mars, such as Spirit and Opportunity, had proven that the red planet was not only survivable but also ripe for further exploration. The crisis facing humanity was clear. Earth's resources were dwindling, and the population was growing at an alarming rate. Scientists and engineers began to ponder the question, could Mars provide a solution? Enter Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur, and SpaceX, a company he founded with the audacious goal of making humans a multiplanetary species. In 2016, Musk unveiled his plan to send a crewed mission to Mars as early as 2024, with the ultimate goal of establishing a self-sustaining city on the red planet by 2050. The action began with the development of the SpaceX Starship, a massive spacecraft designed to carry up to 100 people on a trip to Mars. The spaceship would be reusable, making space travel more affordable and accessible. However, the journey to Mars would not be easy. The voyage would take about 9 months, exposing astronauts to dangerous levels of radiation and the psychological toll of isolation. Furthermore, landing on Mars would require a precision landing system that could withstand the planet's thin atmosphere and rugged landscape. Despite these challenges, the dream of colonizing Mars continued to gain momentum. NASA, too, began to take the idea seriously, announcing its own plans for a manned mission to Mars in 2033. The consequences of colonizing Mars would be monumental. If successful, it would mark a new chapter in human history, one where Earth and Mars became sister planets, bound by the ties of shared humanity. It would also present opportunities for scientific discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. However, the road to Mars is fraught with uncertainties. The journey is long, the challenges numerous, and the stakes are high. But the dream persists, fueled by the indomitable spirit of humanity and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. As we stand on the threshold of a new era, one where we dare to dream of colonizing Mars, we are reminded of the words of John F. Kennedy, who once said, "We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard." The dream of colonizing Mars is indeed hard, but it is a dream worth pursuing.